Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be talking about the reality of vibe coding. So I think this is the first time I'm talking about AI. I need some time to experience the whole thing and the hype to go fast. So this simply means the method of coding without the prior knowledge. Also in this video I'm going to be addressing those people who rely too much on AI. There's some realities about vibe coding. In vibe coding, the quality of code depends on three things. You have that type of model you're using, prompting skills, and also the time you're using during that coding period. Good model equates to good quality code, so you need to choose the type of model you're using. Second thing is the prompting skills. So if you have good prompting skills, you'll have the high quality code. Then for the issue of time, this simply means the time you're using during the vibe coding. So remember that time you are just relying too much on AI. There's something you need to understand here. At the start of the project or at the start of that period of programming, your mind is clear. You are using good quality prompts. The AI is able to provide for you the quality code. But as the project grows, this means there will be a lot of complexities. AI will make a lot of mistakes. You'll need a lot of time to debug, right? So there'll be a lot of prompting just to ensure that the AI is into context. So at that time, there's something you need to understand. There's something called cognitive workload. That time your mind is getting tired. So what happens when your mind gets tired? If you continue programming at that period using vibe coding, this will lead to poor prompting and hence will lead to poor quality code. This time you'll get yourself introducing a lot of bugs, breaking a lot of things. Another thing you need to understand about vibe coding is that we have three phases of vibe coding. The first phase is called the honeymoon phase. The second phase is called the context collapse, and the third phase is the architectural lock-in. So in the first phase, I know you have come across videos of people recording that I can make this in just 60 seconds, right? That's the honeymoon phase. This is simply the phase where you just prompt an AI and it returns the quality code. This is the where you just say AI is everything, AI can do everything. So you can note from the videos of these people who have been recording. And then the next phase is the context collapse. So as you progress using vibe coding, the complexity increase, AI can lose track and can introduce a lot of breakages. This is where you'll be needing your mind to prompt the AI to ensure that it is in the correct track. So during this stage, the contextual collapse, you'll be needing to do a lot of prompting. So this means you'll be consuming a lot of tokens. So consuming a lot of tokens simply means higher cost. Then the third phase, architectural lock-in. Software engineering is not much about coding. You need to follow all the phases of software development life cycle. So if you miss the first step, you will be doomed. In vibe coding, it is very difficult for you to change the architecture of the project. So you have covered a lot of things. This was possible during the traditional programming, but for the vibe coding, it's not working. That's my opinion on vibe coding. There's some things you need to understand. You need to have prior knowledge before diving into vibe coding. I would like to know what's your experience. Have you used vibe coding? Have you relied so much on AI, and what was your experience?